Welcome back everyone, Keith here. I'm going to quickly show you how to speed up or slow down a video clip in Adobe Premiere. It's very simple to do. I've got a short video that I placed onto my timeline. I'm going to play a few seconds of it to show you the original or normal speed. Alright, now if I want to speed up or slow down the video, simply select the video clip within the timeline down here and right click, select speed duration. To speed it up, increase the percentage value. I'm going to make it 300% and show you guys the difference. If you'll notice here, the time duration has shrunk. We're going to go ahead and hit OK and then watch the clip in the timeline also shrink to meet that 20-second duration. And there you go. Let's go ahead and move this back and play it again. Much faster. If you want to slow it down, simply reduce the percentage value and the length of the clip on the timeline will also expand. We'll go ahead and change this to 50%. As you can see here, the time duration increased, and so did the video clip within the timeline. And again, we'll move that back and play it just to notice the difference. There we go. All right, guys, that is it. That is how you speed up or slow down a video clip in Adobe Premiere. One thing to keep in mind, it will distort audio if you have a video clip with audio linked to it. Tune into another video. We'll show you guys how to handle that distortion with some audio presets and audio effects that Adobe Premiere provides. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe to Cyber and You. See you next time.